Hola, mis estudiantes. This video is to show you how to complete a screenshot assignment. Screenshot assignments are assigned when I'm asking you to do something that is mostly participation and on your would be otherwise be on your honor. So you're going to go through. If you don't know how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook, I have a link to a video here. The link to how to copy, well, this video is going to be right here. And then so I'll kind of show you what you're going to do. So you'll do whatever assignment that I'm asking you to do. I will put the link in for the assignment here. In fact, I'll probably, I don't know, I just add it. Link para la tarea. I'll make it extra big, put it in a nice bright color for you. So your link for the work is here. You'll do whatever assignment it is. So let's say this was your assignment. I did really bad on this quiz. Hopefully you would, if I give you a quiz like this, that you would not, you do it until you passed, right? But anyway, so here's the deal. I would screenshot this and then paste it here. And if you could just do me a favor when you paste it, try to get it so that it will paste all on this page. So just kind of resize it nice and small so it fits here, so that when I go, I can just look and go, yeah, looks like you did the assignment. So that is how you do this. To get credit, you just turn in after pasting the results from your assignment here. I hope this helps. Adios. And if you have any questions, you can email me at gmakowski@nrwcs.org.